Good afternoon, everyone. Be very welcome to this demo day. I'm Chloe. I'm the proud and lucky batch manager of batch 1753. I'm gonna, for those who doesn't know exactly what we've been doing around for the 9 past weeks, I've just prepared a small presentation. I'm not gonna rob the spotlight from the group just yet. I'm just gonna present a small presentation first. Be very welcome. It's an achievement. You've made it, guys. Here we say unlock your potential and learn tech skills today. And I believe that's exactly what you did. This is the batch 1753. So you get to know their faces, the people behind the great project that you will see right after I stop talking. This is a little joke that they've already seen because we've been watching the demo day of the data science, but it's a good one just for you to understand how the wagon takes place in the life of an individual. That's probably how they're going to wake up in a day without le wagon in a week or two. But don't worry, I'm not going to forget about you. You're always welcome here and you'll be missed. It was a great time that we shared here, and thank you very much for your smiles and your positivity. I really enjoyed this time with you. I forgot to small this thing. Okay, so we continue. This is our staff without whom nothing of this would be possible. So thank you to my great team. Some of you already know, some of them you've never seen. They're from São Paulo, but together we achieve great things for Brazil. This is our web dev teachers, the stars of this batch. Thank you guys for your great work. You always provide the best of your skills and knowledge. And thank you for your dedication to Le Wagon. And now it's my time to pass the mic. Gianna, are you ready?
Yes.
Then show me the code.
Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay. So hi, good afternoon. Let's start. I have to say that I'm really excited to be here, and I have to be careful not to talk too fast or too much. So before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Gianna. I am a family doctor, and I have worked in several areas of Rio that are deprived neighborhoods. And from the very beginning, I've come to realize that a lot of the issues that the patients come to us, I could not do something about that. I could not give them medication for that. But they were rather actually complex issues that were rooted in the hardest social or economic realities that I've ever seen. And they came to me searching for some answers, and I never had, sometimes I didn't have the means to actually give them some answers. So with that in mind, I started to search for other ways to support my patients and in here to support my patients. And I actually am using this app for the past weeks and a little month, maybe a month. And it's been quite useful, and I'm really happy with it. So I wanted to share with you. So in here, if you can see, so it's our space and health. Am I sharing? Yeah. So our space and health, and I can just log in the front page. You already, anyone, even if it's not logged in, they have access to additional resources. And in my profile page, I have my information in here. I can, as the patients also, I can add or edit some pictures, which is not working right now, apparently. Okay, let that be. What is happening? Okay, something like but let me just see. Okay, I'll just do that. So I'll just go back, and in my profile, I can see the list of all the diagnoses that I have, as well as medications. I can add something in here, and it will just add to my profile page. I can update that. If some patient has their medication changed, they can update that here. And here I have a graphic with the answers for some of the questions that they ask me daily about how I've been feeling. And I have just a track of all my answers for the past couple weeks. These questions come from this survey, which are from the World Health Organization, the quality of life questionnaire. And there are several questions in here. I like several from about quality of life and well-being in general. So in here, like we have all these features, but I will now talk about I think which are the major features from this app, which are the places and the resources. And so in places, I have the map from the neighborhood that is close from where the patient lives. And in here, they can search for information and for places. For example, I had a patient that he was quite isolated after his wife passed. So I gave him the idea of maybe joining some group activities. And he found so there is a club, sport union nearby his house, and they have Zumba classes there. And so he found that, and he went for the classes, and he's now feeling much better, taking care of himself a lot more. And besides the places, so they can search several places in here. We also have the resources. I will just give another example. In here, I had a patient that was having some anxiety symptoms, and she was really worried about that. So I just thought that she could do well with knowing a little more about what are the causes, the symptoms, and treatments for anxiety, and what she can do. So she came to the resources, and she can find that here. And just to wrap it up, I have this admin access, so I can also add places and users. So the patients that I can add them, so they have the access of the app, and also the places. So if there is any change of the activities and services that they offer, as well as times and all of this, I can change and add it here. So I think that's it. Thank you. And in here, I just have all the members of our team, which, yeah, thank you.
Congratulations, team. That's a wrap up. So what did you thought? I can see that we have quite a little of interaction on the chat, the YouTube chat. I wanted to thank Maria Luisa, Thaisa, Hugo, Luisa, Andrea, Mileni for your love and for your support. It's an important part of our students' journey in the bootcamp. Gianna, if you allow me to share my screen again,
yes.
Wanted to just close this, which is now a congratulation time, and also a time where our students finish being students and begin being web developers. Congratulations, guys. So could you believe that they've built this in just 10 days?
Oh.
I don't even know if they realize what they've accomplished in just 10 days. Be very proud of yourselves. You're great. You did an awesome job. And for you who is watching us today and wants also to achieve these kinds of quality of work, we have batches opening both in October and January. The batch from October is actually closing the last seats now, so don't miss your opportunity. I'm very happy for this closing of 9 intense week. Very proud of you. I can say in the name of the whole team, congrats. And now let's celebrate.
Yes.
See you guys around. Ciao, ciao.